What is differentiation? We differentiate our instruction when we have classes of mixed level students. Differentiation is designing instruction to meet the needs of individual students. We design our instruction with flexibility and modifications for different level students. What are the key elements of differentiation? In other words, what can teachers differentiate? The key elements of differentiation are defined by Tomlinson and Imbo as content, process, product, and learning environment. Content means the knowledge or skills we are teaching, and the learning objectives should be the same for all students. However, we can differentiate how students access content. Teachers should provide scaffolding, extra support, that is appropriate to the student's needs. For example, more advanced students can read about new information in unadapted text. But for other students, we may need to adapt that text to their level. We may need to pre-teach or reteach information to some students while more advanced students move ahead with the content. Process is how students come to understand the content. Some of our students may have more questions than others or need more time to process the information. We can allow students to work at different speeds with different kinds of support. Or we can allow some students to work independently and allow others to work in pairs or groups for more support. Product is how students will demonstrate what they have learned. We can differentiate our assessments for individual learners. For example, we may ask more advanced students to demonstrate their learning in an organized paragraph, while we ask other students to use a list of simple sentences or complete provided sentence frames. Learning environment is differentiating for student effect or modifying the environment to meet students' emotional needs. We may have some confident, outgoing students as well as shy and less confident students in our classrooms. We also may have some students with longer attention spans than others. Teachers should think about these things when planning lessons and activities and add some flexibility into how students may work in the classroom. When we plan for differentiation, we can meet the needs of all students at different levels in our classroom to ensure that they are getting effective instruction to improve their skills and be successful in their learning.